Good afternoon, Professor. My name is Joseph Alexander Suazo Malpica, and in this opportunity, I'm going to talk about the laboratory 1 and 2. Well, in the first laboratory, we use the function generator and oscilloscope. In the right side, we can see the function generator and we can see the different options. In the left side, we can see the oscilloscope. Well, the function generator simulate and create the different signals or different waves. For example, a square wave, triangular wave, and sine wave. In that way, we can analyze various parameters. For example, the amplitude, period, the wavelength, and this related for O2 aeronautics is used for avionics navigation equipment test, for example, aboard ILS, DME, and ADF. In this picture, we can see the signal wave generated by the function generator. According to results of this activity, when the frequency is greater, the wavelength is smaller. This means that it is inversely proportional between wavelength and the frequency. Well, in the second activity, we programming in the NAPCOM 402 APTC. Well, the ramp test equipment is used for ramp tests, simulating various signals. For example, the board system works with 5 signals: the carrier frequency, subcarrier, identification tone, the reference signal, and variable signal. Therefore, if one of these signals falls, no signals would be obtained. With respect to the, well, in this picture, we can see the different options of ramp test. For example, it has the knob of selector mode and no knob or selector of frequency, and the display that shows the frequency tunes. Well, in this picture, we can see the module of board receiver. Well, in the second laboratory, we has used the different manuals. For example, I use the maintenance manual, the IPC, and the schematic wiring manual. As a first step, we should look at the front matter to verify the registration number and the effectiveness of the plane. In this picture, we can see the registration number of Oscar Bravo 2037, and 2, we can see the effectivity code. This information is given by the operator and manufacturer. Well, when we have found this, we start the search for information about the system. Well, In conclusion, the use of the maintenance manual is very important since all the information and procedures to follow are within this. Therefore, its use is very important in the maintenance works that is performed and on which a correct procedure will depend. For this, we must perform the search for information taking in consideration the effective and registration number of aircraft.